Juicy and flavorful grilled ribeye steak recipe. Welcome to my channel where I show you how to make a juicy and flavorful grilled ribeye steak at home. This recipe is perfect for those who love steak and is great for special occasions or as a treat anytime. Ingredients: 2 ribeye steaks, about 1 pound each. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves. 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary leaves. 1 tablespoon of coarse sea salt. 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Instructions. 1. Remove the ribeye steaks from the refrigerator and let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before grilling. 2. In a small mixing bowl, mix together the olive oil, minced garlic, thyme leaves, rosemary leaves, coarse sea salt, and black pepper. 3. Rub the mixture evenly onto both sides of the steaks, making sure to coat them well. 4. Preheat your grill to high heat. 4. Place the steaks on the grill and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare, or adjust the cooking time to your preferred level of doneness. 5. Once the steaks are cooked to your liking, remove them from the grill and let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. There you have it, a delicious and juicy grilled ribeye steak recipe that is sure to satisfy your cravings for meat. This recipe is easy to follow and will impress your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.